Welcome to 20 Car. As we race toward 2025, the automotive world is gearing up to unleash a new breed of sports cars that blend cutting-edge technology with breathtaking performance. Here's a quick look at the top 5 future-ready sports cars you need to keep on your radar. Car number 5. Tesla Roadster 2.0, leading the charge in electric performance. This all-electric beast promises 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds and a top speed over 250 miles per hour. Redefining what we expect from electric vehicles. Car number 4. Ferrari SF90 Stradale Successor. Ferrari's commitment to hybrid power continues with the anticipated successor to the SF90 Stradale, blending electric motors with a turbocharged V8 for unparalleled performance. Car number 3. Porsche 911 GT3 RS, 992.2. The future of Porsche's iconic 911 lineup looks promising, with the 2025 GT3 RS expected to be lighter, more powerful, and more focused on track performance than ever before. Car number 2. Lamborghini Huracán Successor. The next Huracán is rumored to feature a hybrid V10, marrying raw power with advanced tech while maintaining Lamborghini's bold, aggressive design language. Car number 1. Nissan GT-R 36. Nissan's next-gen GT-R is set to bring a futuristic design and hybrid powertrain to this legendary nameplate, aiming to push the boundaries of speed and innovation. The Nissan GT-R is a high-performance sports car known for its exceptional speed and handling capabilities. It has a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, advanced all-wheel drive system, and iconic design. These cars represent the future of sports car engineering, where speed, sustainability, and style converge. Buckle up, the road to 2025 is going to be thrilling.